Okay, what you're looking at is a 1971 Triumph Spitfire. Got the doors off of it right now. I'm trying to get some of the body dents out of it and work that a little at a time. I'm in no hurry to get this one done. It's going to take a while. It's been here sitting in my backyard, and we'll get around to it eventually. Right now, what I'm working on, or getting ready to work on, is this 1979 Triumph Spitfire. I'm more interested in this one because it does have the overdrive transmission, which I've pulled out of there and completely rebuilt. And I do have it running and driving in the backyard. I don't trust it to go any further than that. The frame is bent on it. Whoever had it completely ripped out part of the undercarriage from something they hit. I have no idea what it was. And of course, all these palm fronds, or palm leaves, whatever you want to call them, are in my backyard from my neighbor's palm trees. So it's a little bit messy back here, but it's just too darn hot here in Las Vegas to get out and clean all of this up. These are some more parts and pieces I got laying around. And I really need to get on this bonnet, get it sanded down, stop that rust, get it primed up. But anyway, the body's coming off of this one and going on to this frame. Now this frame, my wife and I drove to California and picked that up last year before I got sick. And I cleaned it all up, got it painted, and it's a straight frame, so there shouldn't be any issue. I think it's going to be real good for this car. But just haven't got around to putting it back together because, like I said, I was pretty sick all last year. And but I'm back on track now, and getting healthy again, and getting that past me. It really took a toll. But anyway, we're back here in my cluttered up backyard. Looks really junky. I'd be glad when it gets all cleaned up and get some of this stuff out of here. This yellow car, I'm not going to try to put this one back together. I bought this off a guy off of Facebook Marketplace, and he'd been parting it out. And there's nothing left. I mean, it's just nothing left. So that would cost way too much to try to chase down all the parts and rebuild that car. So I'm going to just part out the body parts, I think. Like the quarter panels, the doors. That top I'm going to put on my 78 Spitfire that you've seen on this channel. It's the brown one. And I'm going to paint that up and put that on as soon as I can come up with some mounting hardware. So if anybody knows where I can get some mounting hardware, give me a shout out. Appreciate it. But this is the next project. It's going to take a while. But, you know, I got all the parts and pieces and a little bit extra to put this together, so it shouldn't be too difficult. We'll see. So keep tuning in and follow the progress. I think I'll get started on it next month in September when it cools off. I'm in Las Vegas. It's 120 degrees out here right now. And unfortunately, I don't have a shop. I don't have a garage to work in, so I have to pitch up a shade and work under the shade. That makes me an official shade tree mechanic, I guess. Wow, what a title.